To see if this shows that I'm streaming yet, and there's a refresh button. You know what, I think I've got that not quite right set up, so I think it's working now. So there's a problem happening today. I had a client call. She thought it was a problem with her computer and then with her browser, but what she was trying to do is print something from her browser, and every time she tried to print, she'd get this blue screen of death. And let's see, I think I can switch over to show what that looks like. And if I go over here and then hit this button, I think you're seeing that now. Yeah, so your device ran into a problem, needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info, then we'll restart for you. The counter goes from 0% up to 100. The information says windows.com/stop code. If you call a support person, give them this info. Stop code is APC_index_mismatch. What failed says win32kfull.sys. So the solution for this is to perform a system restore to an earlier date, or uninstall the March 2021 cumulative update. And as I understand from the little research I've done on it, Microsoft has already put a hold on this. My client was trying to print to a Kyocera copy machine, and I saw other reports on the internet indicating that's when this happens. So hopefully this, some people might find this in a YouTube search and figure out what to do. And I guess I could just go ahead and show that process of doing a system restore. I didn't pre-prepare this. Oops, that one's not even working, is it? That one's not working. Okay, so let's go over here to this screen. Should do it. And yeah, I'm back on screen. So if you click on the Windows button and then type system space restore, then you should see a search result of create a restore point. Click on that and then click on system restore up here, and then click next. And in this list you should see a date prior to your last Windows update. And you might have a checkbox down here to show more updates. Curious that I'm not seeing any more updates. 3/7/2021. Well, that would indicate I had a major update at that point and all prior updates were wiped out. But anyway, then you would click next, and there's a couple other clicks to make. My client's computer, it took just over an hour for it to complete that system restore. So the other option is press the Windows button, and even if you don't see that blinking cursor in the bottom left corner, just start typing. And in this case, what we'll type is update space settings, and that should get a search result up here called Windows Update Settings. Click on that. And then click on View Update History. And then click on Uninstall Updates. And then go down to the Microsoft Windows section. If you have other sections expanded, you might have to scroll down quite a bit to get to that. Then you can sort these in order by date by clicking on the header for the date column, if they're not already in date order. Mine are. But if you click, for instance, on the name column, it puts them in name order. If you click on the installed column, it puts them in date order. In this case, they are descending. So the most recent updates are at the top. Now, my computer did not install that March update yesterday, so it's not listed up here. But if you find that update listed here, then click on it and then click uninstall in order to uninstall just that update. And I think that's all that I can show you at this point, since my computer is not experiencing the symptom. I'm not going to be able to show you completing that operation. So that's about it. My YouTube channel, the purpose is for me to help people over Zoom meetings and YouTube live streaming to help them with computer issues. So if you have a problem with your computer, you can send an email to me at this address, request a session. DougBetts of Live Windows Training, give me an idea in the body of the email what you need help with, and we'll put it together. So I hope this video has been useful to you. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.